Hello, I'm Jan from AdvaPIX Technical Support, and today I will show you how to trigger your AdvaPIX device using an external source. First of all, please refer to our synchronization guide on the website and make sure that your device has the correct model number. Otherwise, your device might be irreversibly damaged. You will need this synchronization adapter that you can order from the technical support. You connect the adapter to your source and to the device. When you open PIXet, you need to do several adjustments. First of all, in the measurement settings, select Started by Hardware Trigger option in the trigger settings and click OK. And then in More Detector settings, in the Readout tab, you can choose any setting in the trigger setting window and make sure there is no in the other trigger settings. Click OK, and now the device is ready to be triggered by your external source. Recommended settings are here. When you start the measurement, the device waits for the signal from your source and starts the measurement at the right time.
AdvaCam, imaging the unseen.